Good afternoon. This is a flight fare updates from Riyadh to Manila. From Cathay Pacific, price is 1,865. 15 hours, maybe going to Hong Kong. And we have Air India, 23 hours, more than 20 hours. 1,946 riyals going to stopover in India. This is Etihad is 2,430 is higher. Stopover in Abu Dhabi, Cathay, no higher price now, 2,550, different time. Emirates 15 hours, 2,713. So stopover in Abu Dhabi, Dubai. Oman Air price is 2,835. Stopover in Oman, Muscat. Again, Emirates, wait, this is expensive, 3,087 riyals. Gulf Air, 18 hours, price is 3,094. So stopover in Bahrain o Manama. Saudi Airline, oh, so expensive guys, 5,283. This is round trip. This is all round trip. Later on I will finish. Philippine Airlines, ours is 10 hours and 40 minutes. Maybe stopover in Dammam o Jeddah. Because Saudi, Riyadh to Manila is only less than 10 hours. So this is the flight update today. But I don't know, some is still open. But this is a flight update from Riyadh to Manila. Some airlines is maybe cancelled. I check this in Saudi is showing cancelled. Maybe tomorrow or later on. Thank you for watching.